Scientists have long known that experiencing adversity early in life can leave lasting effects on a person's health. But what about animals in the wild? Could their early hardships also shape their survival? To investigate, researchers developed a Cumulative Adversity Index, CAI, a tool that quantifies challenges like poverty or stress. For humans, it has already proven invaluable, helping governments and healthcare providers identify actions that improve well-being. Now, scientists are turning to the animal kingdom. Wild animals, like humans, face hardships early in life. Yet, the long-term impact on their survival remains a mystery. Few animal populations have been studied long enough to gather the data needed to create a CAI, until now. At UCLA, biologists are making a breakthrough. They've created the first CAI for yellow-bellied marmots, using data collected over 62 years at the Rocky Mountain Biological Laboratory in Colorado. Their study, one of the longest of its kind, reveals surprising insights into the marmot's survival. As expected, a late start to the growing season reduced the marmot's odds of survival. Marmots need to gain enough weight in summer to hibernate for 7 to 8 months. But not everything aligned with expectations. Summer drought had no noticeable effect, and predation wasn't as big of a factor as anticipated. The death of a mother, however, played a significant role, even if it occurred after the pups were weaned. Pups rely on their mothers for up to a year after weaning, making maternal loss devastating for their long-term survival. The researchers, led by doctoral student Xochitl Ortiz-Ross, collected data from female marmots. Unlike males, females tend to stay in their birthplace, allowing scientists to observe them throughout their lives. These marmots faced an array of challenges, from poor maternal mass to late weaning and large litters. They modeled these factors into mild, moderate, and acute adversity categories. The results were telling. Moderate adversity reduced survival by 30%, and acute adversity cut it by 40%. But where the marmots lived also mattered. Up valley marmots had significantly higher survival odds. Even more intriguing was the impact of drought. It surprisingly increased survival odds, except in the acute adversity model. On the other hand, factors like maternal loss could lower survival odds by 64%, while poor maternal mass decreased it by 77%. On average, these marmots lived about 3.8 years. But those exposed to acute adversity faced triple the risk of shortened life expectancy. The study confirmed what scientists had long suspected: adversity in early life accumulates, and even positive experiences later on can't fully erase the damage. The study's co-author, Professor Daniel Blumstein, summed it up: biodiversity management is like death by 1,000 cuts. Impacts don't happen in isolation, they accumulate. Our CAI shows how multiple stressors affect survival. This tool has the potential to guide conservation efforts, helping scientists focus on the stressors that truly matter. For marmots, this might mean focusing on reducing maternal mortality or improving maternal health, rather than countering the effects of drought or predation. With this breakthrough, conservationists can now take a more holistic approach, combining decades of data to protect species on the brink. The future of wildlife conservation may be shaped by the very adversities animals endure.